So you're in a child custody dispute. So in the state of Michigan where I practice, if you're in a dispute over custody, who's going to get custody of the children, either in a divorce or a custody case, maybe you're never married, had kids together, and you're going your separate ways, what's going to happen with child custody? Well, one thing to keep in mind is that if you're going to have the court decide this, they look at the best interest of the child factors, they look at these 12 different factors, best interest of the child, and when they're looking at that, it's mandatory that the judge interview your child if they're over age 6. That's by law. So you can request that the judge interview your child if there's a custody dispute. You can say you don't need them to, don't want them to, but it's mandatory that they do it. It has to be done. This is the kind of thing that if it didn't happen and there was a decision you weren't happy with, it would be reversible on appeal. You go to the Court of Appeals and you'd win. It would go back to the trial judge. So when there's a custody dispute, judge has to interview the minor child when they're over age 6, when there's a custody dispute.